Today I am going to share Eid special Mutton Pakki Biriyani recipe. Mutton marination preparation. Mutton 1.5 kilogram. Yogurt 1 cup. Nut paste 3 tablespoon. Green chili paste 2 tablespoon. Onion paste 2 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon each. Sliced onion 1 cup. Chili powder 2 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Mace and nutmeg powder 1 tablespoon. Shan biryani masala 4 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Oil 1/4 cup. Ghee 2 tablespoon. Mix very well. Rest for at least 4 hours. Oil 1 cup. Onion 1/2 cup. Fry until golden brown. Add marinated goat meat. Stir and mix. Cover and cook until meat tender. Fried onion 1/2 cup and sugar 2 tablespoon. Mix. Look at the color. Cover again. Meat cooked properly. Rice 1.5 kilogram 3 cup large. Wash it. Water 5.5 cup and milk 1/2 cup, total 6 cup. Some whole spice. Shah cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Green chili 6/7 pieces. Ghee 2 tablespoon. Mix. Salt to taste. Mix. Add rice. Stir. Cook 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir. Cover again. 3 tablespoon milk, drop of rose water and Cora water. Pinch of orange food color. Mix. Add milk mixture. Cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix. Separate the rice for layering. Add cooked meat, fried onion, sweetened condensed milk, ghee clarified butter, cooked rice. Same process. Last layer. Cover and slow cook 25 minutes. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.